Alright guys, obviously this isn't the late model. I know why you clicked on this video. We'll get to that in just a second, but we're gonna winterize this and get it put into the trailer for storage because we need more space in here. For that. Now, it's not a rocket, even though it says it on the spoiler. This is a 2016 Masters Built chassis. Came no motor. Pretty much everything but the motor. We got trans in there, Burt 2-speed transmission. Drive shafts in there, quick change rear, all that fun stuff. It's actually pretty well set up. I don't know a whole lot about these cars yet, so I got a lot of studying to do. But we bought this off of a guy in Pennsylvania who actually had it turnkey, and he said it blew up in his garage. They run crates out there, and I believe he said he had a 604 in there, and it blew up in his garage. So he pulled the motor and sold it to me. He actually was going to give me the motor, but it was blown up and not really a use to me. Got all the nice gauges in there and the nice pedal setup. Seat's good for me. He gave me a lot of extra parts, the radiator there, some spare body panels. We got the carburetor for it, the flywheel, the distributor, fuel pump is up there too. And he even gave me the intake off the motor, so that's helpful. But yeah, there it is. We're gonna go late model racing next year. Not only us, but my dad's got one too. He bought himself a Rayburn chassis. I think it was a 2013 or something like that. So we're gonna be a 2-car team next year. I know on the YouTube channel you might not know about this, but we bought this halfway through the season. If you follow us on Facebook, you'd have seen this already. We were using this halfway, the second half of the season. And then right after I went to Pennsylvania to pick the car up, a couple weeks later I went to West Virginia to pick this up. It came, as you see here, this is a, I don't remember what year, but it's already wired. Got, you know, a RV style plug there. It is 24 feet long. Got the nice wheels and tires. The side lights. Outside receptacles here. I'll probably do a whole video on just the rig, but here is a quick peek. It's got the race package already in it with the nice cabinets up front. He installed this toolbox. It's got the nice organizers and everything in there already. No tools, but winch. He was running it to a snatch block on the floor, so I don't know if I'm going to keep doing that. It's got 4 lights in here. The rubber floor. Even got a little pit light here. But yeah, that's this. We gotta get a set of ramp overs built. So what I'll end up doing is we'll do a full rig overview of the motorhome and the trailer all in one video when that stuff is ready, because we're gonna get ramps built in here, get this filled with tools, and pack out the cabinets little by little here. But that's that. But yeah, we got the rig ready. It's gonna be a good year next year. Running this all around the state and wherever else we plan on going. As for this, it's for sale. I might keep it, I might not. You know, if someone comes along and wants to buy it, I probably will sell it, just because, you know, we won't have a whole lot of time between running 2 late models next year and getting used to that and traveling. And we got a ton of stuff coming up. We've got some new sponsors coming on board for next year. We got merch coming out early next year. Probably looking at late winter, early spring. We'll get some merch coming out. We're gonna get some wraps designed for the cars. I would really like to keep this and just run it here and there, but we'll see. We kind of need to free up some cash to build a new motor. This was a good motor in here, but it ain't gonna cut it for the late model. But yeah, like I said, guys, kind of a short little announcement type talking video for today. I know I haven't really been making a whole lot of content for the YouTube channel. That's gonna change this upcoming year. We're working on getting the right equipment to be recording at the track. This past year, we just really didn't have good GoPro mounts, or we didn't really have enough people to be recording races and stuff all the time, and we were just kind of really busy getting used to going to the races again. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you know anybody looking for a street stock, let me know.